Let's go to a new letter. It's Jim. Its name is Jim, and the sound is Ja. It's written like this. When it is isolated, you remember Ha? It's just like Ha with a dot here. When it is initial, like this, and when it is in the middle, it's written like this, connected from right and from left. And when it is final, the shape is complete here. As you see, the letter Jim is written just like Ha with the addition of one dot below. Before that, we studied Ha, which doesn't have any dots. We also studied Kha, which has one dot above. And now we study Jim, which has one dot below. Let's read these words. Beautiful. 4 letters. Jim, Mim, Ya, Lam. The Jim has fatha, so we say Ja. The Mim has kasra, so we say Mi. It's followed by long vowel Yi, so we say Jami, and then L. Jamil, Jamil. This word, 4 letters as well. Mim, Sin, Jim, Dal. Mim fatha, Ma. Sin here has sukun, so we say Mas. And then the Jim has kasra, we say Mas, Ji, then D. Masjid, Masjid, mosque. New. This is a new word. 4 letters. Jim, Dal, Ya, Dal. The Jim has fatha, so we say Ja. The Dal has kasra, so we say D, followed by long vowel E, and then the Jadid, Jadid, new. This is a female name. 5 letters here. Kha, Dal, Ya, Jim, and Ta marbuta. Kha has fatha, so we say Kha, followed by Dal with kasra D, then Ya, Khadi, then Jim, Ja, and then Ta marbuta, and we pause here, so we say it's pronounced as H, H, Khadijah, Khadijah. This is a female name. Now, can you read this? My house is beautiful. بيتي جميل. بيتي جميل. My house is beautiful. And this Fajr prayer, this is Salah. And here, if we pronounce this, it will be Salatu, and then it will be followed by this word. This word, if we read it alone, it will say Al-Fajr, Al-Fajr. But when we connect the two words, the Ta marbuta will be pronounced as Ta, not Ha, and the Alif in Al-Fajr will be silent. So it will be like this. Salatul, tul, tul. Salatul Fajr. Salatul Fajr. We don't say sa, but we say sa, because this is sad, not seen. Salatu, we don't say salatu al. No, the alif here is silent. Salatul Fajr. So notice that alif in the beginning of the word al-Fajr is not pronounced here, because it is not in the beginning of the speech, as it follows another word. We have a new letter here. Sheen. Sheen. And its sound is sh. sh. You see, it looks like seen with these three dots. Let's look how it is written. Take your pen and paper and write. When it is isolated, like the seen plus three dots above. And the three dots are written like this. When it is in the beginning, like this. When it is in the middle, it's joined from right and from left. And when it is at the end, like this. So as you can see, the letter sheen is written just like seen, with the addition of three dots on the top. This word is sun. Three dots. Sheen, meme, and seen. Sheen has fatha, the meme has sukun. Sham, shams, 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 sun. And this. Sheen, alif, ya. Sheen here is followed by a long vowel. So we say shay, 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 tea. And now this is a male name. Sheen, ayn, ya, ba. The sheen has dhamma. So we say shu, then the ayn has fatha. A, then the ya has sukun. Shu'ay, and then b. Shu'ayb. 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 And this عين شين را and تاء مربوطة. عين has فتحة, sheen, and also ra. So we say ع شا را and then ه. عشرة. عشرة. 10. A new word. ميم شين كاف لام تاء مربوطة. The meme has ضمة, so we say mu. Then sheen has sukun. sh. Mush. The kaf has kasra, ki, then la, then ta marbuta, ha. Mushkilah. Mushkilah. Problem. Mushkilah. Now let's read this. Do you, for male, like tea? هل تحب, and then here it's a shay preceded by al, the, but lam here is silent, so we say ash-shay, then shadda on sheen, so we say ash-shay. Lam is silent. And also when we join this verb with the following word, the alif also will become silent, so it will be like this. هل تحب الشاي? هل تحب الشاي? This is for male. What about for female? هل تحبين? هل تحبين? For male, you love is تحب, and for female, you love is تحبين. And then الشاي. هل تحبين الشاي؟ هل تحبين الشاي? Do you like tea?